Don't tell me. You're late to see the turtle specialist? Don't worry, mi amor. I'll open the store this morning. Maya, you're not dressed?
I spilled jelly on my pants.
You have a clean pair in the laundry basket in my room.
Oh, gracias, Mama.
Miguel, those shoes don't match.
Oh, man. Okay, I'm dressed. Ya me voy.
Me too. Don't forget your lunch.
Mwah. Gracias, Mama. Does Paco look all right to you?
He looks fine.
Are you sure? Parece tan triste. So sad.
So quiet. Maya, we're gonna be late. And then, Andy passed the ball to me, and goal! You should have seen me. I rocked.
That's wonderful, Miguelito. And how did you do on your math quiz? Did you rock?
Well... He shoots! He scores!
Ay, Miguel, eres un payaso. Good job. What about you, Maya? How was school? Maya, what's wrong?
Paco looks sad.
Triste. Maya, he always looks like that. I'm sure he's perfectly happy.
Y tan callado. Paco hasn't said any words in a long time.
Now that you mention it, he is kind of quiet. He used to talk all the time.
What if he's sick? Mama, Papi, I'm worried.
Don't worry, mijita. We'll take Paco to Dr. Dasgupta and make sure nothing's wrong.
Well, you obviously take very good care of Paco. He's fine. Fit as a fiddle.
Are you sure, Dr. Dasgupta? He seems so sad and quiet.
He does not look very happy, does he? Is he alone all day?
Well, my brother and I go to school, and Mama and Papi work.
Well, parrots are social animals. He considers you his flock.
See?
His family. If you're gone all day, it could be that he's a little lonely.
Claro que sí.
I knew something was wrong. Oh, thank you so much, Dr. Dasgupta. I told you Paco's lonely.
Well, we have been out a lot lately. But I volunteer to stay home from now on and keep Paco company.
No seas un payaso, Miguel. We have to figure out a way to keep Paco from being lonely. But we have to go to school all day, and Mama and Papi have to go to work, so... SOS! We'll take Paco to school with us.
Maya, we can't take Paco to school. He's a pet.
I cannot believe you just said that in front of Paco. He's part of our flock, our family. He's a Santos.
Okay, he's family. But Maya, you can't just walk into school with Paco on your shoulder like you're a pirate. Though that would be pretty cool.
Ahoy, matey! Out of our way! Landlubbers!
Papi has those pet travel cases in his shop. I could make one of those into a backpack. That way I could carry him with me everywhere.
What?